Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to be introducing another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around the upgrades that we've carried out to an absolutely stunning Land Rover Defender 110. We've upgraded it with soundproofing, new radio, so added functionality, plus upgraded the actual sound in the vehicle too. So if you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's get started. To start off then, we've done loads of upgrades to the vehicle. However, we're going to start off about explaining the process and how we do Skinz Soundproofing. It's a full skin system that we've installed onto the vehicle. Vehicle comes into us and we start by removing all of the trim panels inside the vehicle, removing the full interior. That gets stored away, not on the floor, it gets stored in a custom area that we actually have purpose built for storing parts for these vehicles. So it's a custom area that we've got separate away from everything else. There's no chance of your interior parts getting damaged on any vehicle. So first of all, the interior gets fully stripped down, the seats out, interior trim, the whole lot, the carpets, everything gets removed. This car came into us with no soundproofing whatsoever in it. However, now it's leaving with the full Cambridge Coral Air treatment. We've done the roof, we've done the floor, sides, doors, the whole lot, even including the bonnet. In terms of what's actually involved, we use a Skinz 3mm layer that basically goes throughout the whole vehicle. That's in the doors, that's literally all the way from the floor, all the way onto the roof, and then also in the engine bay. Well, I'll move on to the engine bay in a little bit. Inside the car, after that 3mm layer is done on the inside, all of the carpentry, all the interior goes back together, except from in the roof. The roof actually gets an additional bit of treatment from Skinz again, is a Skinz 6mm layer. Basically, it's a panel liner that reduces condensation that you get in these Defenders, and it just gives that extra little bit of foam padding that is needed in the roofs. So that gets applied, and then that's all professionally installed, and everything's reassembled and put back together. Inside the actual bonnet area, customers going one step further, so we've done a 3mm layer, then we've done a 7mm heat protection shielding around that and sealed that off, so all the edges are really, really nice and neat, tidy. It looks really, really nice in there, plus it's obviously going to reduce that road noise, reduce that engine sound as well, so it just makes your driving experience that so much nicer. So that's basically a little bit of an overall of the soundproofing. So we do a 3-layer system inside the doors, so as you can see, it's completely solid now. It sounds really, really nice, and it's actually a bit like driving a car. It's coming night and day difference soundproofing. We do this solution by itself complete, so if you are interested in that, just pick up the phone to us, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms, and we'll be sure we can quote you for it, get your vehicle booked in for the acoustic Skinz soundproofing treatment that we offer. So that's all done inside workshop environments here in Cambridge. Again, all of your interiors stored in a separate bespoke custom made area in our workshop facilities. We've got an 11,000 square foot workshop facility, so plenty of room to get your car looked after and installed to the highest possible standards. So that's basically the full interior soundproofing. Then moving on to a little bit of the functionality that we've added. We've upgraded the vehicle with our double DIN conversion using the absolutely amazing Pioneer AV8Z9200, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, plus you've got DVD, CD functionality, as well as the fact we've added DAB into the vehicle. If you own one of these, you normally have the silver antenna and sits on the wing going up. However, we've upgraded that with the DAB solution. So we've got a DAB and FM antenna replacement, and it's a short, sort of stubby looking antenna, suits really well with the vehicle, and that's positioned in factory location. New cable run going through, again, to the highest possible standards. Everything's, even the connectors that are underneath here are heat shrunk, and plus all then taped up, loomed in to the factory wiring going into the vehicle. That links into the back of the head unit. So now we've got loads of functionality, and we've also added a dual charging USB system in replacement of the cigarette lighter socket on that dashboard too, which is really, really nice. So everything looks seamless. It's all wireless as well for your phone connectivity. So you know, we've got Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, you've got loads of stuff all now packed into that head unit, making your driving experience again so much nicer. You can jump in and connect your phone right away without having any leads at all. The other thing that we've also done is integrated a reversing camera into that screen as well. So it's a 7-inch screen that we've got here with a flip down facility allowing for CD, DVD, but as soon as you engage reverse, you've got a camera image nice and clear live directly on that 7-inch screen, which is really nice. Camera location, we can do a couple of different options. Normally we go at the top. This customer specified that he wanted it at the bottom. That's exactly what we've done. And we go through all of this during the audio consultation. On this occasion, due to COVID regulations in place, we had to do this remotely. So what we did a FaceTime video and we did a phone call with the customer and we went through everything step by step. However, the best thing you guys can do is book an audio consultation with us and get booked in, and we'll sit down with you, design, spec, and then install your new system. Then in terms of the sound, so we've done loads of upgrades on this car. So in terms of the sound, what we've got is a replacement tweeter up on top of the dashboard. That's the AP1 Prima tweeter. Then what we've got is the 4-inch underneath the dashboard, plus we've upgraded the 4-inch speakers in the rear. They're all running off the factory head unit, so on the new aftermarket head unit, so there's no amplifier on this solution. However, obviously other Defender videos, we're on our whole Defender section on our YouTube channel, there's actually upgrades that we've done on there with amplifiers, with subs and all sorts. However, during the audio consultation, we'll spec that with you. Sound on this vehicle wasn't that important to the customer, however, still wanted a little bit of upgrade, and this is exactly what we've done. So it sounds really, really nice, even though we haven't got an amplifier. Because of the soundproofing, it makes a massive, massive difference. So that is an essential part of any Defender upgrade and any install actually. Soundproofing makes a massive world of a difference really on any install. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. You've seen what we've done on this Defender 110. These videos are just to give you ideas exactly what's possible, what we've done and what we're doing on future installs as well. So if you want to get booked in with us, you know exactly what to do. Drop us a line on any of our social media platforms. The best thing you do, pick up the phone, go on our website, go on our Defender page, book an audio consultation. But also, if you could guys, please like, share, and then subscribe as well to our YouTube channel to help us grow, to help us provide you guys with more awesome content that we know you're loving. So thank you very much guys. We look forward to seeing you soon.